Hello friends, welcome to Mathematics by Faran. Today let us see the fourth question of exercise 10.2. Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. Let us draw the diagram. You are told that a circle is there. Tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter. Then this be O and let this AB be the diameter. Tangents passing through A and B. Let us draw them. Let this be PQ RS. We have to prove that PQ is parallel to RS. We know that tangent at any point of circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Using theorem 10.1, we know that angle OAP is equal to 90 degrees, angle OAQ is equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, angle OBR and OBS is also 90 degrees. OBR is 90 degrees and OBS is 90 degrees. We also see that angle OAP is equal to angle OBS, that is 90 degree. Similarly, angle OAQ is equal to angle OBR, that is 90 degree. But these are alternate angles. These are alternate angles, which implies as PQ is parallel to RS. Since interior alternate angles are equal between two parallel lines, which gives us PQ is parallel to RS. Thank you. Happy learning.